Okay, this is the car jump starter kit by Buture. I got this one from Amazon. I can already tell it's high quality just from the packaging. It's supposed to be able to fit in your pocket, pretty big pocket, but it's supposed to be able to fit in your pocket. You charge it, I believe, um, with a. I thought this one had a USB port on it, but Oh wait, I'm tripping. Yeah, so it got like I don't even know what this one is or what this one is. I know it got a USB-C and it got a USB. And this powerful thing can start up. It's supposed to be able to start up SUVs, not just cars. So you keep it charged and you take it with you. And when you need it, you plug up this part into here. Oh, it's already charged. Whoa. And then you connect this to your car and then you just start it up. So I really like the quality of this thing, man. This thing is feeling nice, like seriously. But yeah, this is definitely high quality, you can tell. But yeah, portable emergency jump starter. So I'll do another video. Comes with the manual, the black and red. And that's funny. It even comes with a new USB to USB charger, so I could use this for my phone too. A lot of the reviews say don't use it for your phone unless it's an emergency, but use it for your car. And as long as it's 3/4 the way charged up, it can start up a completely dead battery. So I do another video um, talking about if I ever actually used it. If I need it, I'll record that process too, unless both my phone and my car battery is dead. So yeah, I'll let you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.